Yeah.
Alright lads, welcome back. Feels like ages since I've picked up the camera. I've been really busy. That's it really. That's why I haven't put a video out for a while. So, just having a cuppa. Today's video, I've got some mods I've done to the car, so I haven't got any footage of the mods. I've got some photos of it in progress, but I just haven't had time to make a video while I've been doing stuff. A couple of them were really quick things, but one of them was like a 2-day job, and I physically just did not have time to film it all. So I'll show you the photos of the process and I'll show you the finished result as well. The reason I've been so busy and putting so much time into the car is because on Sunday, today is Friday, on Sunday it's the RS Owners Club Regional Day at Croft Circuit. So there's a load of us going down. That's going to be class. I'll be doing a video of that, so depending on what time I get back on Sunday, that video will go live on Sunday night. If not, it'll be Monday night, definitely no later than Monday. So I've been trying to get the car in, you know, as best state as I can. So I've cleaned all the engine bay, all the front end's been off because of one of the jobs I've been doing. So while the front end was off, I've given it all a clean. I've just been out and it's been shit all over by birds, which is great, but it's not getting cleaned until Saturday anyway, so it'll be getting a full detail on Saturday, ready for the show on Sunday. So let us finish my brew and we'll have a look, see what's been going on. So the first thing I've been doing is sorting out that dirty old intercooler. So in the last video I mentioned that I put a new intercooler on. That wasn't a new intercooler, it was a second-hand intercooler, and it just looked a bit scruffy. So that's why I had the whole front end off. So what I did was I took all of the front end off, bumper, lights, grille, the lot. Took the intercooler out, so I'm gonna stick some photos in somewhere around now. And I've cleaned it all up, polished the sides, painted the centre and put the graphic back on. So it is an airtight intercooler, it's meant to have the graphic on. It just looked a bit scruffy, it looked a bit worn, but it is absolutely enormous. So the size of that intercooler is ridiculous. You'll see in the pictures that may or may not be in now, depends how the editing goes, but it basically comes up to the level of the top of the Ford badge, so you can see that is a big intercooler. So yeah, that's the first thing that I've been doing. Right, we've gone freestyle now. No tripod, we've gone rogue. So that was the intercooler. The next thing is sunstrip. Now it's a funny one because you can only see it in certain lights. So what I've gone for is a gloss black sunstrip with matte black lettering. So from that, it looks quite prominent. Not that big word, but if you get up close, nice bird dollop on there, like. So it's quite stealthy, but from the inside, you can see it's a tinted sunstrip. So it's basically like the tinted windows. So you can see out, but from the outside it looks black. The sunstrip's on the inside, so like I say, it's a tinted one, so they did it like a window tinting sort of process, and the lettering is on the outside, so the lettering can be removed and I can keep the sunstrip. So I think after show season I'll probably take off the lettering because it's a bit garish, but I quite like it actually, you know. I'm talking shit, I'll probably keep it, but if I want to take it off I can. So that's the sunstrip. And the last thing, I mean, look at all this bird shit. But yeah, last thing, put some wind deflectors on. Something I've wanted for ages, but I've just never got around to ordering any. Oh, and also, which side was it? I think it was this side. No, it wasn't, it was this side. Come where it is. So when the car was in getting the clutch done, they chipped me brake caliper where I'd carefully painted them. You probably cannot see, right? But there's a little spot, like right around here. Don't know if you can pick it up on camera, like, hello, there, where they chipped the paint off. It must have been when they were messing about taking the wheels off and that. So I had to paint that. And this is the nice clean engine bay. So all this plastic stuff has been trimmed with where is it? This Maguire's Ultimate Black. Absolutely class. I'll be honest, I obviously I'd recommend stuff, but I would highly recommend that. And this Sam's ceramic coating, amazing. Anyway, back to the engine. So what I did, so obviously all of this was off, so the bumper, everything was off, the headlights. So I've kind of cleaned, I don't know how much you'll be able to see, but I've cleaned all of the inside of the front end. So all of this was all like covered in black shit. I mean, it's not like showroom condition, but it's a lot better than it was. Yeah, so looks pretty clean. But honestly, that Maguire stuff, you can see the finish you get, and this was done a few days ago, so it needs, that was just like its first coating, so it needs doing again because it's a little bit scarmy. But all you do is you cover it, rub it on, leave it for like 5-10 minutes, and then just buff it off. Honestly, there's bird shit absolutely everywhere. My car never ever gets shit on. Bastards. Alright lads, so that's pretty much what I've been doing. Obviously with the car being off the road for like nearly 2 weeks, and then I've been really busy, I haven't had time to do anything big. So the intercooler, the sun strip and the wind deflectors, it's pretty much all I've had time for. Hopefully there'll be more stuff coming up over the next couple of months, so stay tuned for that. Just want to give a big shout out to Lee and Jamie from Total Tinting who did the sun strip, done an amazing job. I'll leave a link to their page down below. If you are interested in getting a sun strip or any sort of tinting or anything done, give them a shout. Also another quick shout out to Just Car Care. I'll leave a link to their website down below as well, where I get all my cleaning stuff from. Neither of these places are sponsored or any discount or anything, it's just they are good company, so check them out. And that's going to be it for today lads, so thank you very much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let us know down below what you think of the mods, whether you like them, whether you don't. All feedback is well received. And stay tuned for the video on Sunday/Monday of the date croft for the RS Owners Club. Thanks for watching, see you later lads.
Yeah.